Aotedor, 36 kilometers, 22 miles. Destination within reach with mobility scooter. You can easily adjust the mobility scooter. The handlebar adjusts 165 degrees and the armrests adjust 270 degrees. The easy-to-use control panel makes it easy to learn and more flexible to operate. Adjust the speed with the shift dial and use the hand paddles to select forward or reverse gears. Two detachable 10 ampere-hour lithium batteries are used for extending the range. The front battery is the backup battery. Powerful brushless motor provides better traction to navigate various terrains. The intelligent electromagnetic braking system and 8-inch rubber tires are stable, durable, safe, and reliable. Stop when you release your hands. Don't worry about going downhill. Aotedor was founded in North America and has now expanded to Europe, the Middle East, and other regions, providing the best choice of safe travel for seniors all over the world, committed to being a partner in helping older people travel safely. Aotedor offers a warranty for mobility scooters, 5-year warranty on the main unit, lifetime warranty on accessories. We will be precise to each screw. Your trust is our driving force. Go where you want to go, do what you want to do, and see who you want to see.